guys, Brooke here, and today I'm going to be drawing with...
My name's Lucas, and this is really exciting to be on the show. I've never been on a show before, so let's get started.
Let's do it. We're going to be drawing a mouse that you may think is a bit familiar. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, find the middle of your paper. A little lower. Okay, and we're going to do a sideways oval. Now over here, out a little wider than the nose and up kind of high, I'm going to do it's kind of like Pac-Man or a greater than. You're going to do it about right here. Good. Now starting on the top of that, you're going to go up and look, I make a skinny oval that comes right by the back of it. We're going to do the same thing over here. So on the outside of his nose, one out here, I'm going to do a same size Pac-Man. And I'm going to do a skinny oval. It might not perfect, they're not the same size, and that's okay. All right, now, starting up above his eyes, up here in the middle, I'm going to make an arch coming over and stopping right even with his eye. Good. Now I'm going to do on the other way that's about the same size, doing the same thing. Good.
Kind of like a heart.
Now it's kind of like a sideways oval that's not going to finish. We go sideways, watch first, we come around and connect. Down here in the middle, we're just going to do a little smile. Good. Now, right here, we're going to leave about a finger space onto his cheek. Here's a little closer. So right here. And watch me first. I come out, I'm right close to the top, and I connect on the other side. Connect it, connect it, connect it. There you go. All right. Now we're going to run out of a little bit of room for his ears. So our ears are going to go off the page. So watch, I'm going to start a circle. I'm going to pretend I'm still going off the table, but not right on the table. I'm going to bring it down, off, on. So it's a circle, but mine had to leave the paper a couple times. Yours might not have to as much. And then the other side, nice, big circle.
At least it's like behind.
Yeah, totally okay. All right, now, from here, we're going to find the middle of his chin. So here's the middle. On this side of my finger, I'm going to draw a diagonal coming down and out. Stop. Perfect. On the other side of his mouth, I'm going to do another one about the same. I'm going to come up a little ways, not too high, and do a curved line across. Okay, make yours a little longer on the sides because you're not going to have quite. So this line and this line, make them a little longer. Nope. This line, make it a little longer and do the same thing on that side. Okay, good. I'm going to make mine a little longer as well. There we go. All right, now I'm going to draw this one and stop. I didn't quite make it to center. Then I'm going to go up, just a tiny line over, and down the other way. Then I'm going to connect the other two. Now, right here in his shorts, we're going to draw a nice big oval on one side, and on the other side, another oval. There's one on each side. Good. All right, now right here, right where these two lines connect, we're going to draw a diagonal out. Stop. Perfect. Now I want to curve this when I bring it back. It's not a sharp turn. And look, I don't actually touch. I stop right there. And then I'm going to come down a little ways below it for his arm. And I go out, but I don't touch. Good. And I go down, but I don't touch. Stop. Now at the bottom of those, I'm going to draw an oval. Good. Then up here towards the top of it, I'm going to draw a line connecting it. Yours looks already connected. Right here, I'm going to come up on his arm, and I'm going to do 1. I didn't connect it. Watch this one, 2, and it comes down. Look at it. And then I just am going to curve it in to touch. Over on this side, same diagonal going out, but this one's going to curve up. Good. Now your next line, I want you to do it above because you started below, I started line. So now watch, watch. This is my line that this is the line you just did. This is the line you're gonna do now. So you're gonna go here and you're gonna stop right there. Good, and then you're gonna curve it. And then we put an oval on the end. We're gonna do a little mountain. It doesn't touch, look. Then we're gonna do another finger. Another finger. And one last finger and a touch. Good. Now down here, in his shorts, I'm gonna draw a line and a line to make a leg. Good. Make sure they're even. Good. Over on this side, same thing. Line, line. At the bottom, watch. We're going to draw a U. Both sides, U. Now on the back, we're just going to do a curve. It's not a super wide curve. It kind of just goes down and over. Good. Down and over. So now from this side, I want it a little bigger. And same thing on the other side, a little bigger and connect. Good. All right. We are almost done. He's just missing his tail. So right here from the side of his shorts, we're just going to do a up, down, little snake. Yeah. There we go.
That is the result, guys.
And now we're ready to color. All right, guys, are you ready to see our final drawings? You ready, Lucas?
Let's do this.
On the count of 3, we're going to show them.
1, 2, 3.
There we go. There is that special little mouse that you may that may look familiar. Lucas, did you have fun?
I had lots of fun. I would love to be on the show again.
I would love to have you back. I'm glad you had fun. You did an awesome job. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to subscribe, be sure to like, and be sure to come back for more How to Draw. Bye.
Bye.